And we need to write down that. You can write it here on the pages that I already provide you with, or you can write them on your notebooks. You will decide that, but it's necessary that you have that definition. In my case, I decided that I am going to use the book. So here it is. Advertisement or ad is a graphic that shows information and about or characteristics about a product or service. Please write it down. Ad is also the short word for advertisement. Please pause the video so you can write it. Ponga en pausa el video para que pueda copiar. Espero que ya lo hayan hecho. Continuemos. So you're going to hear me saying this word a lot of times. Ads, ads, ads. Please repeat with me so you can memorize it. Ad. Okay, that is advertisement, that is anuncio. Anuncio es una gráfica que contiene información sobre las características de un producto o un servicio. Eso es un anuncio. Información sobre las características de un producto o servicio. Information about the characteristics of a product or a service. And here we have the first exercise of this page. Look and circle the ads and then identify the ad for kids. So you have 5 pictures here. There is a picture of this. What is this? What is this? Okay. What is this as well? What is this item? What is this device? Nice. Now the next one. You can watch it and you can tell me what is that. Very good. And here we have another one. Very nice. Finally, we have this one here. So, first of all, which of these are ads? Please circle them. I will give you a couple of seconds so you can pause the video and then solve it. I hope that you have finished so far, because we're going to give the answers. Here we go. Is this an ad? Is this an ad? Or so? Well, let me tell you which one are the ads. This is an advertisement. This is an advertisement. And this is an advertisement. You got it. You have 3 advertisements here. Now, which of these are for kids or is for kids? Okay, you are absolutely right. Those that are for kids are this one here. This one here. This is for kids. This one could be as well. This one here also can be for children. Why? Why can be for children? Let me explain myself. This is for children because it has this character. Whenever somebody is trying to push information to kids, normally they use some kind of characters, some kind of cartoons. ¿Cuáles son los anuncios para niños? Pues este es un anuncio para niños porque normalmente cuando eso sucede ponen información en la cual se puede ver a un niño o a un personaje con el cual tratan de identificar al producto. Este también podría ser para niños, como dijimos hace un instante, porque básicamente es sobre Navidad y porque contiene una palabra que es muy poderosa para los adultos, pero también y mucho más para los niños. Candy, dulces. This Christmas buy the yummiest candy at, and so on. Esta Navidad compra el dulce más delicioso, más rico, más en alguna tienda que por ahí después anuncian. Y nuestro anuncio del gallo con la sopa. Hungry? Have a quick soup. Es un poquito curioso que el pollo esté anunciando una sopa de pollo, pero lo está haciendo. Así que por eso podemos pensar que es para niños. Esta no. Este es un anuncio sobre una medicina, Relaxant, Stop the Pain, Relaxant. Ahora, que levante la mano los niños de 4º año que les gusta que les pongan inyecciones. Of course no one is going to raise the hand because no one wants a shot in the arm or in other place. No queremos una inyección en ninguna parte de nuestro cuerpo, no. That's the reason this is not for children. Y esa es la razón por la que no podemos considerar que este sea un anuncio para niños. Y aquí tenemos 3 preguntas. Hay que recordar, y ustedes lo vieron conmigo el año anterior en tercer grado, que empezamos a trabajar mucho las palabras pregunta. Where? Where? Where can you see ads? Well, you can see ads practically anywhere. Well, we can see ads in many places. Let's start with this one. On television. We find ads on television at all times. Sometimes they will not include all the fields that we want to know, but this is the main place where you can find advertisement, television. We can also find it in magazines. An advertisement can be found in magazines. And, of course, in other media that are printed, like a newspaper. We can also find advertisement in newspaper. Actually, that was the first one that was the first big promoter of advertisement. We can also find them on billboards. Those big things that are on top of buildings. They are called billboards. Also, we can find them in posters. You know, those things that are pasted on the walls of many places. It can be in stores or it can be in the street. Posters. Another way to advertise is through flyers. Sometimes we have flyers that we are going to use and we are going to put on the doors or some fences in our houses. Sometimes we get a lot of flyers. Last but not least, we're going to find a lot of advertisement in internet. When I say internet, I mean everything that goes through internet, and some of them are platforms that we normally know. We know YouTube, so we can think of that. YouTube, WhatsApp doesn't have announcements yet, but places like Facebook, they do. We can find also advertisement through all the net. Whenever we search for some information in Google, we're going to have, in one of those sites, we're going to have advertisement. Ok, hablemos español ahora. Hemos visto hasta ahora los medios de comunicación que se utilizan para anunciar nuestros productos. Así que vamos a anotarlos y vamos a tratar de recordarlos. We're going to try to memorize them, to know them by heart. Vamos a conocerlos de memoria. Este es el primero. Internet. Internet. Ya mencioné en inglés hace un instante y lo repito ahora, que nosotros encontramos anuncios en todas las plataformas prácticamente que conocemos, como YouTube, como Facebook, como Google. Cuando estamos buscando algo, nos va a aparecer un anuncio en alguno de los lados, en la orilla, en la parte de arriba. Ya tenemos muchos anuncios ahí también en Internet. Periódicos, que fue la primera o la más importante forma de comunicación para anunciarse en tiempos anteriores a la televisión. Otro medio impreso, revistas. Nosotros tenemos las revistas también como una fuente de anuncios. Otro medio impreso. Another printed form is magazines. Recuerda anotar todos ellos para que los vayas revisando, memorizando, viendo cómo se escriben. Ok, si sientes que se te pasó algo, puedes regresar de inmediato el video y anotar los que te falten. La televisión era y sigue siendo una de las principales formas en las cuales nosotros encontramos anuncios, uno de los principales medios. ¿Acaso el más importante todavía? Porque no toda la gente tiene internet, pero televisión todos tenemos, así que la televisión sigue siendo la principal forma o la más importante para anunciarse para los productores de un servicio o de un producto. Dije productores de un servicio, realmente debería ser prestadores de un servicio o productores de un producto. Billboard, anuncios panorámicos. Memoricen mucho esta palabra porque no es común que la veamos o que la recordemos o la escuchemos como medio de comunicación, pero ahí está, billboard. Repítanla, please repeat with me, billboard. Muy bien, anótenla y traten de memorizarla. The poster is something that you're going to find in any store. El póster es una forma muy común en las tiendas donde los vas a encontrar o incluso los puedes ver en las calles. Un anuncio, en este caso tenemos un anuncio sobre una festival de food trucks. Let's Rock tiene su propio eslogan por ahí, tiene el lugar donde va a suceder, cuánto va a costar ir, tiene la fecha en la que va a suceder. Posters. Ok, y la última, flyers, los volantes que dejamos o que nos dejan en todos lados, en nuestra casa, ahí en la reja de la casa siempre encontramos un flyer, un volante. Knowing that, we can continue. Let's solve this one. We're going to label the products. We're going to match them to the consumers, and we're going to do that. First, we're going to write the words bike. Which one of these is a bike? And you're going to write it. You're going to write it like here, okay? Bike. Which one is the bike? Treats. Treats. Which one of these are treats? Perfume. Which is the perfume? Candy. Which one is the candy? Food. Which of these are food or is food? And finally, car. And then we're going to match them to the consumers. Who are the consumers of this? Here we have some consumers. Roof. Meow. Here we have another consumers. And here we have a couple more. These are the consumers. And after you match the word, or you write the word, you're going to match them. This one is for these people. This is for these people. You're going to do that, okay? Of course, these are wrong answers. So you're going to write them and then you're going to match them correctly. Vamos a unirlo. Primero escribimos las palabras. Vamos a etiquetar. Vamos a hacer lo que se le llama labeling. Vamos a escribirlas en estas líneas y después vamos a unir el producto con el consumidor. Ok, vamos a poner el video en pausa para que puedas contestar. Here is the polls and here are the answers. Okay, time to solve it. I think that you should have that, but let's see the answers. And here we go. First, the labeling. We're going to label that, so let's do the bike. Which one is the bike? ¿Cuál es the bike? Okay, that is the bike. Treats. These are the treats. These are the treats. Los treats son esos pequeños premios que les damos o que nos damos a veces a nosotros mismos. En este caso se refiere a algo para un animalito. Es como lo de la publicidad. Le toca sobre, le toca sobre. It's a time for a treat. So that is the one. Now, what about the next one? Perfume. That is the perfume. Candy. That is the candy. Food. That is the food. And finally, the car. That is the car. Perfect. Now we're going to find the consumers for these products. Vamos a encontrar los consumidores para estos productos. Varios de ellos puede ser que le gusten a varia gente, ¿no? Por ejemplo, los dulces. A mí me encantan los dulces y yo sé que a ti también. Entonces pudiera ser que sea alguno de los niños. Incluso animalitos a veces les damos algún dulce y sabemos que les gusta. Pero vamos a tener que considerar quiénes son los principales consumidores. Y aquí vamos. Bike. The bike is for the kids. In this case, for the girl, for the little girl. Now the next one, the treats. Yes, that's right. It's for the animals. In this case, I'm going to match it with the dog. Perfume. Who uses perfume? Well, normally adults. Adults use perfume. Now the next one. There you go, candies. Candies are eaten mainly by children. We adults, we also consume a lot of candies. Food. There you go. In this case, I match it with the animals, with the cats, and finally the cars. Very nice. There you go. We have a car. I actually had one car like that a long time ago. So far, we have learned some words. We have learned a little bit of that. Please remember the media that we use to announce our products, to advertise. Recuerden, por favor, los medios de comunicación que se utilizan para anunciar productos. Billboards, newspaper, television, internet, flyers, magazines, posters. Esto es todo por este instante. Nos vemos en nuestra próxima sesión. Bye bye.